guys, this is Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Moto. I just wanted to give you guys an update today on my Suzuki S40. I've got a 2018 and 650, otherwise known as the Suzuki Savage back in the old days. I've had it a little bit over a year now. I've only been able to put about 100 miles on it or so. I've had consistent carburetor issues and not able to really get it running very well. I have paid attention to the SuzukiSavage.com forums and tried to rebuild the carburetor myself, but no, didn't go so well. I'm also trying to do an aftermarket air filter, cone air filter that I bought off of bikebandit.com. Really love the air filter, but I'm not sure what's going on with the bike itself, so we have to figure that out first. I'm going to do a little overview here of what I've taken off the bike. We're about ready to take it down to the shop. We're going to go to the Hive repair shop in Moscow, Idaho. I talked to a guy named Matt there who seems pretty confident. And I think he said he had a couple of shops, motorcycle repair shops before, and now he works down there as the main motorcycle mechanic. I've taken the bike two other places locally and haven't been able to get it figured out. I honestly think it was the reluctancy of people wanting to work on the carburetor. So at any rate, show you kind of the breakdown of what I got here, and we're about ready to get her on the trailer and take her on down. Here we got my 2018 Suzuki Boulevard. Right now it's currently pretty well stripped down. Obviously the seat's off. Took out the air box due to the aftermarket air filter we're going to do. So everything's basically stripped down, getting ready to go to the shop. One thing I want to tell you guys that's really important is to block off your intake manifold so you don't get any debris or water or anything in there. It's really important. You'll get rust inside your head case there, and that's the last thing you really want. But we're looking to put that carburetor back on there and get that aftermarket air filter on. I honestly love this bike with all my heart, but it's really created a lot of problems for me. As you can see, we're only at 211, so it's pretty dirty. It's been sitting out there in the garage for a bit. So I've had all my other projects I've been working on, but this is my jam right here. I love this bike. So we're going to see if the Hive can't get us up and running. But just wanted to check in with you guys. And another project.